Hi students. So here we are going to learn about the nature of the roots. We already learned about the formula of our quadratic. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here this b square minus 4ac, we are going to concentrate on this part because this this plays a role in whether the roots are equal or not equal, whether we can find the roots or not. So here the b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation any x square plus bx plus c has real roots or not. So we are considering it. B square minus 4ac is called discriminant. So this b square minus 4ac is called discriminant. With that alone we can consider. With the previous problem we have seen, right? We will get a two equal roots or two different roots. Sometimes there will be no roots also. So quadratic equation, if any quadratic equation in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, it has a three cases, two distinct roots. Distinct roots means different. So there will be two distinct real roots, real numbers. If b square minus 4 is greater than 0, that means it will be a positive number, then it's a distinct root. If the two equal roots, if the two values of the variable be equal, so few problems you have seen already. If in that case b square minus 4ac will be equal to 0. If this is equal to 0, then the value will be both are same, real values. No roots if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that means negative. If we get a negative part here, we cannot take a square root, right? We don't know the square root of, we not learned so far about the square root of negative numbers. So there will be no real roots, no real number, some other number, it's called as a image number will be that. That's we will learn in the upcoming classes, 11th standard. So just we will concentrate on whether there is roots or not. That's it. If the roots, there is a distinct and equal roots, real root. If it's a positive, it's a distinct real root. If it is a 0, equal root. If it is a negative, no real roots. So here we go for the problem. Find the nature of the root of the following quadratic equations if real root exists. Find them. So if real root exists, we have to find. If it is not, we no need to find. So let me try. So whether we have to check whether it exists or not just by the discriminant. If discriminant is equal to 0 or greater than 0, that is positive, then it is exist. So let me check that. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 5. So you have to check with the discriminant b square minus 4ac value. If b square is a minus 3 square is a 9, minus 4 into 2 into 5, right? So 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5s are 40, 9 minus 40 is equal to minus 31. It's a negative, so it's a third case that b square minus 4 is less than 0. It is a less than 0, right? So there is a no real roots. So therefore it has no real roots. If there is no real roots, we need to find. If they said if the nature of the roots of the following quadratic, if real root exists, find them. If it not exists, we no need to find. Here the next problem, here a is equal to 3, b is equal to negative 4 square root of 3 and c is equal to 4. So we have to find whether it exists or not, real roots. So b square minus 4ac is equal to b square is minus 4 square root of 3 the whole square minus 4 into 3 into 4. So negative square will become positive. 4 square is 16, square root of 3 is 3, 16 into 3 is 48, minus here 4 3 is 12, 12 4 is 48, so which is equal to 0. So real root exists. So if it exists, we have to find them, right? So this equation is little difficult to find with the factorization method since it has square root. Let me go with the formula method. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this part we already found, it's a 0. So b is a minus of minus 4 square root of 3 plus this plus or minus this part is 0, right? By 2a is a 3. So minus into minus is plus 4 square root of 3 by 6. This can be cancelled by 2 table 2 and 3 times. So x is equal to 2 square root of 3 by 3. Since it is a 0, we have it 2 also, both also same root. So value of x is equal to 2 square root of 3 by 3 and another root is also the same. So here we go for another problem. Find the value of k for following quadratic equations so that they have two equal roots. So they given the two equal roots. The condition is given. So if the two equal roots, then what will be the discriminant? So given two equal roots. So it's given a two equal roots. That means b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So by using this expression, we have to find the value of k. So here is a is a 2, b is k, and c is a 3. Just substitute. So instead of b, substitute k is a k square minus 4 into a is a 2 and c is a 3 is equal to 0. So we will get a value of the k, right? K square minus 4 2s are 8, a 3s are 24 is equal to 0. So k square is equal to 24 and k is equal to square root of 24. Square root of 24 is nothing, just we can elaborate and write k is equal to we can write as a 2 into 2 into 2 into so 3 into 2, right? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 16. So this we can take it outside. So k is equal to 2 square root of 3 2s are 6. So value of k is while taking outside the square root, it will give a plus or minus, right? So the value of k will be the plus 2 square root of 6 or minus 2 square root of 6. Since we are taking a square root outside, it will become a plus or minus. So k will have either plus 2 square root of 6 or minus 2 square root of 6. So here we go for the word problem. Is it possible to design a rectangular mango grove? So first they ask, is it possible? Then we have to check whether the real root exists or not. Whose length is twice its breadth. The area is 800 meters square. Given the length is twice the breadth and the area of it is 800 meters square. If so, find the length and breadth. If they exist only, we have to find. So let consider the breadth be x. So length will be the 2x, right? Let breadth be x meter. So therefore length is, they say 2x meter, and they say the area is 800 meters. So area is nothing, just length into breadth, right? So x into 2x is equal to 800. So this we can write as a 2x square is equal to 800. First we want to check whether it exists or not. So 2x square minus 800 equal to 0. This we can divide by 2. So we will get x square minus 400 equal to 0. So first we want to choose whether it exists or not. So b square minus 4ac is equal to, we have to find. So b term is 0, 0x square. So 0 minus 4 into 2 is 1 into 400. It's a minus 400, right? So minus into minus will become plus, and 4 into 1600. Sure, it is exists and two different real roots, right? So now we can find using a factorization method or a normal method. So here we can find easily just by taking a left side. See, even you no need factorization method or a quadratic formula method. Look here, x square minus 400 is equal to 0. Just you bring that side, it will become a x square is equal to plus 400 and x is equal to square root of 400. The square root of 400 is a 20, right? And the being it's a square root, it's a plus or minus. So plus or minus 20. And so x value will be a plus 20 or x is equal to minus 20 and minus 20, which is not possible since it is the breadth. A length cannot be in the form of negative. So we will choose a x is equal to plus 20. Therefore x is what? Breadth, right? Breadth is 20 meter. And what about the length? Length is just twice the breadth, right? There is a 2x. Then 2 times x is a 40 meter. That's it. Thank you.